How to fix Snapchat public profile not showing. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch a Snapchat application on your device and make sure that you logged into your account. Now proceed by tapping on your Bitmoji or profile icon at top left corner of your screen. So in case if your Snapchat public profile is not showing, you simply need to navigate to the gear icon at top right and then scroll down. From this privacy control page, tap on See Me in Quick Add and then check mark the box of Show Me in Quick Add, and after that you need to come back to your profile page. And after that, you will successfully find your public profile icon at top right, or simply when you scroll down, you will find public profile option. From there, you can easily set your public profile on Snapchat. So I hope this guide worked to fix the Snapchat public profile not showing. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.